Let's check our part 3 now. Ayan. Part 3 na ginawa ni Kuya, the plumber. We will check now if it's good because it's yesterday he come here. So we're going to check if there is a leak or what. We're going to check that because I think that's epoxy. And the epoxy is hard already. Because the plumber, he said don't use for now. Yesterday he said tomorrow you can use it, and then we're going to try today. Okay, so we're going to open now the water. Let's see if there's no leak or what. Okay, the water is running. So ayan, sabi ko, I told him change everything this in the first upload or part 1. He never do it. He keep the new one on him, just only these small pieces, you know. See, there you go, guys. There you go. It's not work. So I'm gonna, what do you call that? The water is came from here. This one, as you can see. Ayan. As you can see, the water is stupid. The plumber, he never do anything wrong. I do good. He never do anything good. You know, he wants to keep coming to, you know what I mean, paid his what day. So he did not do very well. And let's see if there's more. Okay, there are some more, guys, on here. And this one, as you can see, there is a water also. This one is a water. See, look. I cannot make a new video there. Good. And this is a water also. And this is a water. This one going down. And there is a water also. Ayan. Lumalaki na siya, guys. Ayan. As you can see. And this is our part 3, guys. I don't know. There's a leak again. Where from? And I think over here. On here. On the over there. Because it's still wet also. So I need to message again the, what do you call that, the owner or the landlord, fix it again. So I don't really want to wet the floor, guys, so that's why I want to change everything, but he did mistake again today. This is a part 3. Okay, yesterday he came here to put this only, guys. Ayan. I told him change everything so it looks very clean, you know. So lilinisan natin ito pagkatapos niyang ano. After he fix everything this, I'm gonna clean this, guys. I will not clean yet for now because I want to fix everything first. Ayan. Tumutulo siya. So it's not good what he did. It's too old, this tube, you know. But the plumber, he's hard-headed. Ayan, maraming tulo, guys. As you can see. Ito, nagagaling dito. From here. And from here. Tararan, tararan, nanana. Ayan o, tubig-tubig siya o. O, diba? See. Pag hinarangan ko dito, pupunta sa kamay ko. Diretso yan doon. Kaya hindi mo makita, guys. Ayan. That's the plumber here. My goodness. Ayan. Magaling, marunong daw siya, marunong. Magaling daw siya. He is smart. He said he was smart. I don't think so. I can tell that he is really smart. Magkuro-turuan. Ayan. Yan ba ang ano niya? Trabaho niya? My goodness. Nagmamagaling siya. Hindi naman talaga marunong. My goodness. If I'm the own the house, guys, I will get my own plumber. That it's he works in one day only, not coming back. Ayan. O, diba? Diyan sila kumikita eh. Diyan sila kumikita yung mga plumber eh. Yung arawan. O, diba? Di sila gagawa ng maayos. They will not work very well, so they come back again and pay for another one day. That's what they do. So, this is our part 3, guys. It's not work again. My goodness. My God. Ayan. I'm gonna call the plumber, or the landlord. I'm gonna tell what's going on here. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys. Maraming salamat.